it's Marky. Let's talk about this Eva NYC split end mender. I've been using this for quite a while now. I've absolutely loved it. It is paraben and sulfate free, so it's not harsh on your hair. It's also really, really lightweight. It comes out just super easy like this. And then I just rub it in my hands and I can just comb it through my hair, and it keeps it looking super healthy. I wear extensions, and then I also want to keep my natural hair healthy. This has helped so much. It doesn't feel heavy, it doesn't feel weighed down, it's really lightweight, and it smells really good. I have loved using this for about probably almost a year. And I think if you wear extensions or if you just want to keep your natural hair healthy, this is great. It comes in a 4-ounce bottle. A little goes a long way. You really don't have to use much. It is cruelty-free also, so it's not tested on animals, which is something that is important to me when I look for hair products, cosmetics, any kind of beauty products. That is a big thing. Super easy to use. It does close really easily. It just twists like this. So if you are on the go and you want to keep it in your bag and not have it spill everywhere, it closes super easily. If you are looking for something that's really going to nourish your hair and make it look hydrated and clean and really fresh all the time, I would highly recommend this product. So I hope this was helpful, and thank you.